Right guys, so I'm just about to get my sun cream on now. The girls would all have to have one of these, so I've been told that I need one of these as well, so put it like this. Basically clip my hair back like that. Loving it. Good morning guys. We are off to Blizzard Beach today.
Yeah.
We're in the car on our way now. It's 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Interesting fact for you. And today it's hopefully going to be a little bit cloudy, which means that we won't get a sunburn as we did last time. Though we are all sun creamed up as much as possible, and we're taking extra just in case. I've got my waterproof case on my phone, so we can get some footage of in the water.
Yeah.
First thing we're going to go, Lazy River. It's similar to the one at
Typhoon
Lagoon,
and
but
apparently
bigger.
it's longer.
Which I like. I love. I
And
love.
it does have an
Lazy
ice
River.
cave.
A what?
Ice cave.
What's that?
Very cold part
Interesting.
with melting ice
Cool.
dripping on you.
So yeah, we're on our. We're in Blizzard Beach, everyone. Girls.
Hello.
Woo. Sorry about the quality, guys. I'm in the water now. We're drifting around in the Lazy River. Lee and Millie are like miles behind, but never mind. It's quite difficult to film. It's very busy. I'll try and get some footage. Right guys, we've just finished up on the Lazy River. Had a good time. What? No, that's not gonna fit. Yeah, we're just gonna have a wander around the park to see what there is, and then we'll see what we do from there.
Have you come out enough yet? The Lazy River was even cold.
They're behind us.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
There is Grace chilling just after lunch with Lee's sunglasses on. And then Lee's using his goggles and sunglasses. Just chilling out. Letting our food go down, and then Lee's gonna do a 40 mile an hour drop. What do you call it? We just finished up and we're about to go. Right guys, we've just had a good time in the pool till the end. I'm not going to film myself right now because I've just had a little bit of an accident.
Cut his nose.
I basically just grazed my nose basically to the point that it's bleeding. I was in a pool, stupidly in the shallow end, trying to do a backflip, and
To impress me.
not really, just try a backflip 'cause I've never tried it before. Because Grace can't really. Well, we've tried to teach her, but she's struggling to work out how to do a front flip.
Yeah.
So I thought,
I
let's
do
try
a
backflip.
sideways front flip.
And
Yeah. The reason that Thomas isn't flipping himself is
yeah,
he
because
can't.
there's still blood involved, and I don't want anyone seeing that and
One,
not liking
he
it
might not
almost,
like
if you know what I
it. Two, because Thomas doesn't really like the look
the
of
graphic blood. And I have to edit it, and then I'll probably just won't like it.
Yeah.
But I'm quite shivery at the moment. One, because I'm cold, and two, because it just
Shock.
came to shock with me. But please, just putting a plaster on my nose, so I'll be able to show you in a minute.
We're going to stick to your eye.
There we go, guys. It's a bit red, obviously, I need to clean it up, but there's a plaster on my nose now. It look very funny, but there you go. So, yeah, we had quite a good time in the pool. I didn't
Yeah,
vlog
we
because I
did.
just
We were
wanted
playing.
to relax. But, yeah, sorry there's a lack of footage today. Obviously, we were in a water park, so it's very difficult to vlog. And then in the afternoon, we just came back and chilled, so...
I hope like the footage that we was able to get.
Yeah.
me.
So sorry it's a short vlog. I'll film a bit more after. Obviously, it'll be a bit boring because we won't be at the park. But yeah, there's not much more to say, to be honest.
I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but I think it's something fun.
Yeah, they're still planning almost on it. These last couple of days are just done by day-to-day planning to choose what we want to do. But
I think we're going to Epcot. Yeah, we're thinking of going back to a different part of Epcot.
yeah,
But you never know, it could change.
yeah.
So
Right,
we'll
so
tell you what we're doing tomorrow.
we're just about to have dinner, so I'll
Spag
see you afterwards. Right guys, yet again, sorry for the lack of video today. Obviously we're at the pool. We are just about to, well, we've just all had showers. And then we're going to watch yesterday's vlog because obviously they all want to watch it. So that they can see what we were up to yesterday, if you know what I mean. So tomorrow we are off to Epcot, I believe. Yeah, basically, pretty much, yeah. It looks like I have been sunburned again, even though we put loads of sun cream on again. I put 50 all round, like 2 times in a row, and my new skin looks like it's burnt. Hang on, let me get it out. Look, you can see the red bits, that's the new skin. It's already red. Great. Anyway guys, I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. And goodbye.